15 watts 1 channel, Zigbee constant current LED driver. This is a dimmable LED driver, guys. It has a max output power of 15 watts and offers smooth, deep dimming. You can choose the current from 100 to 700 milliamps, and you can adjust the dimming curve, power on state, and fade time using an NFC programming tool. You can easily pair it with a Zigbee remote using Touchlink, and it can connect to up to 20 Zigbee green power switches. Plus, it's compatible with universal Zigbee gateways like Alexa, Home Assistant, Homey, and Azula. Oh, and the push switch dimming function is enabled too. Use the NFC tool to configure the LED driver settings. First things first, make sure to power off the device before you start. Click on Add a Configuration and then scan a real device. Just hold your phone close to the NFC location on the device. Once it reads successfully, save the configuration. Now open the configuration and unlock it. Click on Options and check the boxes for the settings you want to adjust. Set the target current based on the fixture's wattage. For example, if you've got a 12-watt recessed light, you'll want to set the current to 300 milliamps. After that, just hit Write Configuration. Here's the dimming curve, and we're setting it to log gamma for a smoother dimming experience. You can choose the dimming curve based on what you need. For the power on state, set it to latest, so it remembers the brightness from the last time you turned off the lights. For the on-off transition time, go with a soft start. This way, the lights will fade on gently. If the lights turn off at the lowest brightness, you can use the minimum current compensation option to fix that. Set the power on level for how bright you want the lights when you turn them on. Again, latest works well. As for the external switch type, you can choose between a push-button switch, a normal on-off switch, or a three-way switch. Once you've got all your settings in place, just click Set All Attributes. We're going to add the LED driver to the Azula hub. First, make sure to enable the pairing mode on the driver. Set it to Enable Pairing and write the configuration. Just remember to power off the device before you do this. Next, open the Azula app and click to search for Zigbee devices. Power up the device, and it will enter pairing mode. Once you find it, hit Done, and you'll be able to control the lights, turn them on, off, and adjust the brightness. Now let's set up the rotary switch. Start by adding the switch to Azula. Click those two buttons 3 times in a row, and it will go into pairing mode. Once that's done, pair it with the lights. This rotary switch has 4 groups, so we'll bind the lights to group 1. After that, you're all set to control the lights. You can use the knob to adjust the brightness. Let's set up the remote first. Start by adding the remote to Azula. Just press and hold the middle button until the indicator light turns on, then click S1 to enter pairing mode. Once it's added successfully, pair it with the lights. This remote has 4 groups, so we'll bind the lights to group 1. Once you're done, you can control the lights. Now let's configure the sensor. This one is a door window sensor. First, add the sensor to Azula. Press and hold the middle button until the indicator light comes on, and it will enter pairing mode. After it's successfully added, you can check its status in the app when the door opens or closes. Next, let's set up some automation. For example, when the door opens, it can send a message and turn the lights on. And when the door closes, the lights can turn off. All set. Now when the door opens, the lights will automatically turn on, and when it closes, they'll turn off. We can add Azula to Apple and use Siri for voice control of the lights. Just scan the QR code on the back of the Azula hub with Apple Home to add it.
Hey Siri, turn off the light. Hey Siri, turn on the light. Hey Siri, set the light to 30%.
Now let's pair the green power switch. Set the LED driver to Enable Touchlink and GP mode. Remember to power off the device before writing the configuration. Once you power it back on, wait for the light to flash twice. That means it's in GP pairing mode. Press any button on the GP switch 4 times, and when the lights flash, you know it's paired successfully and you can control the lights. That's it. Thanks for watching.